So today I'm baking a chicken, and I do this a lot, and it's funny because my friends that don't cook so much would just be like, oh my god, I can't believe you bake a chicken and da 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 da, and it's super easy and it's super cheap. So it's a great recipe, so I'm just going to walk you through it because it's too easy not to do. So I preheat my oven to 400 degrees. Today I'm trying something new. I threw a little bit of olive oil and some garlic cloves in the bottom of my pan before I was preheating it so that they'll start to create some goodness. And whatever's in the bottom of your pan, you can scrape that up and add it to a little storage bin, and that'll just make your broth more flavorful. Yes, there's a broth, and it's easy. All this stuff is easy. So this is a 3 1/4 pound chicken that I always, in the grocery store, I look for the 25% off. A lot of times you'll find meat and things that are within a couple days of their sell-by date, and so I'll buy that, throw some of it in the freezer, and that makes it even cheaper. So this is a $5 chicken, 25% off. That's $2.50, so like $4 for a bunch of meals. And so what you do here is just, I unwrap the chicken, rinse it off, pat it dry, and I put some olive oil and salt on it, which will brown up the skin nicely. And then inside it I have just, I've stuffed some rosemary and thyme and a quarter of an onion. Again, that's all optional. I just had a bunch of rosemary that I had grabbed off a bush at my mom's house. So I had that, needed to use it, had started to dry up in my fridge. And I'm just waiting for the oven to tell me it's ready. And I'll throw this guy in there at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes open, and that sears it. It's a real quick, hot initial cooking. And then I'm going to put a lid on it, drop the heat down to 325, and let it cook for about 40 minutes. And then take the lid off and let it finish browning up for about 10 minutes. And that's it. So that's what, a little over an hour. So I'm just doing it in the morning because I'm working from home. Well, I'm not working from home, I'm looking for jobs from home. And then it will be ready to chop up and use for things later. Hear that sound? That's a hot pan that preheated with olive oil and garlic. So when I slid the chicken in, it was like, it was incredible. It was so cool. And that bottom part of the chicken, the skin is all seared. So here's the chicken, and it's had a chance to relax. See? And to relax. Look at my loose skin. If I'd cooked it a little bit longer, the skin would have pulled away, which would have been fine, but there's no need for that. And you can see it just pulls apart. It's cooled down, so it's not going to pull apart as quickly as it would have if it's hot, but allowing it to cool and have that little bit of time keeps the juices in. And there you go. Simple baked chicken.